Then go to genetic engineering. Okay, genetic engineering, first one GMO, genetically modified organism, and GMO is genetically modified organisms. Okay, and here E. coli bacteria, E. coli full meaning is Escherichia coli, and you can found in your intestine. E. coli is one kind of bacteria, full meaning is Escherichia coli. Okay, and GMO and transgenic organism, GMO and transgenic organism are not the same. Any change that occurs in a gene through mutation or in any other way is called genetic modification. Okay, for thousands of years before the discovery of gene method, men developed genetically modified desired character by artificial selection of nature. Okay, transgenic organism refers to those organisms where one or more than one gene which has been taken from different types of species have been inserted into genome. Then what is the cutting of DNA and plasmid? Okay, first one plasmid. Plasmid is circular DNA. Okay, round shaped DNA or circular DNA, that is known as plasmid. Genetic engineering or recombinant DNA technique is accomplished, okay, by the steps mentioned below. DNA first desired gene is separated from donor organism, then plasmid DNA is separated from a bacteria to use it as a carrier of a gene. Plasmid is an individual DNA based R chromosome in bacteria cell which is able to divide or able to self division. Okay, then restriction enzyme cutting for plasmid and DNA, we are use restriction enzyme. Okay, then the donor DNA is placed in between the two terminal parts of the plasmid by ligase enzyme. Okay, ligase enzyme and lipase act a adhesive. As a result, DNA recombinant from with a new specific desired DNA. Okay, in this stage bacteria recombinant DNA emerge into receiver bacteria. The method of emergence, donor chops DNA part into bacteria is called transgenic organism. A new species of bacteria or organism created due to transformation is called transgenic organism. Okay, this is known as transgenic organism. Okay, so this is known as transgenic organism. Then go to recombinant DNA plasmid. Okay, genetically first one here BT, full meaning of BT is Bacillus thuringiensis, thuringiensis. Okay, thuringiensis, Bacillus thuringiensis. BT means Bacillus thuringiensis. This is one kind of bacteria, and insect resistant varieties of crops have been developed such as BT corn, BT cotton, and BT rice. Okay, BT rice developed in China. This crop are resistant to harmful insect under Lepidoptera and Coleoptera orders. Okay, using this technology, some varieties such as TOMV, tomato mosaic virus, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, then TMGMV, okay, tobacco mild green mosaic virus, and another PRSV. Okay, this is P, huh? PRSV means papaya papaya ring spot virus. Okay, PRSV. This is one kind of RNA. Okay, single RNA virus. Papaya ring spot virus. Then the development of some tolerant varieties. Okay, varieties of corn and cotton. Corn and cotton tolerant to herbicide have been produced by genetic modification. Develop herbicide tolerant tomatoes, and transferring herbicide tolerant genes into the tomatoes from bacteria. Herbicide tolerant varieties of another soybean, corn, cotton, canola have been produced. Okay, then vitamin A. Vitamin A, another name is beta carotene. Vitamin A, another name is beta carotene. Beta carotene, TENE. Okay, beta carotene gene has been transferred into rice. Where? Rice. Okay, rice. Effort of add iron to rice are being continued. Continued is iron. Iron to rice are being continued. Then in animal, cow milk increase the protein in cow milk increases which gene? Protein C gene. Okay, protein C gene is responsible. Though this is still in research level, genetic modification have been accomplished with sheep by transferring the growth hormone producing gene from human being to it with the view of increasing in size and meat production. Size and meat production. Size and meat production. Size and meat production. Cis-E and cis-M. Cis-E and cis-M have been transferred to be genome of sheep. Okay, cis-E and cis-M have been transferred to the genome of sheep. Then fishing, transfer of hormone gene of salmon. Okay, salmon fish through genetic modification to catfish, common carp. Okay, catfish, common carp, loita. Okay, loita fish, Nilotica can be increases 60%. Okay, by the help of gene of salmon fish. Okay, in healthcare, hepatitis B virus vaccine is being produced from yeast. Hepatitis B virus. Okay, hepatitis B virus vaccine is being produced from yeast through genetic modification. From genetically modified E. coli bacteria and yeast, insulin is being is being commercially produced for the treatment of diabetes. Okay, insulin, diabetes, which produce insulin in the human body. The human growth hormone and component of the stimulant for accelerate growth of granulocyte macrophage colony are being produced from genetically modification E. coli bacteria and yeast, and these are being used for drunfish, viral disease, cancer, AIDS, etc. Last one, environment. Okay, environment pollution because the technology is being used to make the environment management easy and fast, such as management of industrial waste and sewage. Dr. M.K. Chakraborty. Dr. M.K. Chakraborty by performing research on genetic engineering has developed a variety of pseudomonas bacteria. What is the name of bacteria? Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas bacteria which is able to disintegrate oil and hydrocarbon in any environment. Okay, this is one kind of bacteria. So that's all. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Kamrun Nahar madam.